Si Ate Sophie nagsisim. Langoy ka nga, dali. Langoy. Langoy ka. Nagwawala. What happened, Shania? What happened?
She wants to swim on her own.
Ayun. Hello. Yay!
Sige. Ay, di na. What do you want to do? Hurry up.
Nag-iiyak si Shania kasi gusto niya gusto niya mag-isa kaso ano rito 4 feet, 3 feet. Ayan. Floating pa daw siya.
Oh, floating, go. Oh, floating. Oh, floating. Galing naman, oh.
No, I want to swim more.
Oh, sige na. Oh, you want to swim? Okay, now you can swim on your own.
Paano kaya kapag tinanggal mo?
Ay, di sa bata na. Lublog ko na yata yun yan. Oh, sige. Oh. Okay, you can do it on your own? Okay, are you sure?
Okay.
Palipiyasay pa talaga mag-swimming, Mary. Ana. Sige, oh.
Malalang ganyan eh. 5 feet.
Run away!
Si Ate Sophie di lulubog eh.
Run away!
Kaya tayo. Kabagalit yung dinosaur. Wala man na nanay, help me. The lifeguard. Oh, let's see. Wow. Oh, let's go. Ayaw niya. Oh, let's swim. She wants to swim. Oh, let's swim. Itaw mo na. Wow, galing.
Wow! Hi! Hi, Bears! What?
Manong sleep.
No.
Oh, Papa, galingan mo.
Floater.
Hurry up daw, mag-swimming siya mag-isa. Wow! Wow, very good, Shania.
Floater.
Lawi ka pa, i-shoot ka sa gulide. Pagkan tayo. What do you want? Ano ka? Magaling tao pag malalamig.
Malalim na yan.
Tara.
Magwawala si Shania.
Let's buy some chocolate. Let's get some chocolate, please.
No!
Why?
Like it!
You don't like it? What do you want?
Sabi langoy ka. Tignan ko yung natutunan mo na. Dali na. Langoy na. Langoy na. Yan, hindi mapigilan si Shania, masyadong independent. Oh, yun, natatawa na siya. Natatawa na siya, natatawa na.
Wow, great job.